Hey golfers, it's Darren and welcome back to another beautiful and glorious day for a round of golf. We are here today at Pattaya Chee Golf Resort. If you've seen the last video, we've played the front 9 and today we are beginning our round from the 10th tee. So let's start. As you can see from the clouds, it doesn't look too promising. At this point of time, I just hope that it's not going to rain. The bunkers on the right is reachable, so I'm definitely going to play the left of this fairway as far as possible away from the hazards. Now, one thing to take note when you play a long course like this one, keeping your ball in play is really important. 2-putt on this hole, walking away with a par is a great start to any round of golf. It's okay, I finished. I've got a Chee marker to give away. It's a really nice one, it's bronze in color. If you want to win this marker, all you have to do is like and subscribe. If you already have, all you need to do is share your greatest golfing experience with your friends overseas and put it down in the comments below. I'll choose one lucky winner later on. So after one hole and one tee off on the 11th hole, there's a siren, or should I say a blowhorn, and the thunder is roaring right now. I was just hoping that we can complete at least 9 holes before we move on to the back 9. So fingers crossed, and hopefully we can at least play some more. So finally, after waiting endlessly, almost 2 hours, we are back on the course, and straight up we are faced with a 185-meter uphill shot with a 4-iron. I left the ball short of the green and it's just up and down, a chip onto the green with a 4-footer left for par. Now hole 12, I like this par 3 a lot. As you can see and you notice that the pin is tucked on the right side. I've got about 10 meters from the front of the green towards the pin. The right play would be to hit it past the pin or just hit it long. Oh! Press the like button for the birdie. Hole 13 is massively long. This par 4 has bunkers on the fairway, but they are not in play at all. So we can just rip it all out, get the ball in play, and now with a 6-iron, the pin is tucked behind the bunker on the far right. Barely made it, the ball barely made it. Please. Aye! Nip noi. Short by 1 meter. This bunker was deep. I had to use a lob wedge and open it up. And I gave it a good splash. And now I'm left with a very testy 8-footer. Ling Kwa is aim left, so we got Ling Kwa inside left. Okay. I'm learning some terms in Thai. So in the beginning I thought that left was the right way to go, but actually it was right. Oh my gosh! Answer, Kwa is right or left? Right, inside left. Okay, so we're going to learn some golfing terms in Thai. We got Ling Kwa is aim right. And Ling Sai? Sai, is it Sai? Okay, so Ling Sai is aim left. Here they rarely say left to right or right to left. They just tell you where you need to go. So aiming at the right direction. So they say Ling Kwa, right, Ling Sai, aim left. Hole 14 is a par 5. It's 288 yards to enter the right bunker. Oh, I hope I carry that, man. The ball barely entered it. Top side. And now I'm left with a layup. I had to open up with an 8-iron and hit it pretty clean just to get it out of the bunker. Remember guys, always put the ball in play.
That should be safe. I've got a certain distance with the pin, and if you're not sure, you got to ask, Rakyat Tau Rai. It's like, how far is it? Wow, that's a lot of brick.
As I stood on this 15th hole, this view was presented to my eyes. Isn't this amazing? All the bunkers are in play here. I definitely can reach the one on the left. I was kind of half-hearted, wasn't really committed to my shot and sliced this. Fortunately, the ball was safe and the hole was short enough to leave me with a wedge into the green.
That should be good.
Now hole 16 has a bunker on the right side. It's reachable. If you have a bush now, remember to always shoot at the bunkers or water hazards to find out whether they are reachable or whether you can carry them. On this second shot, I was kind of intimidated by the water on the left side. Pulled it and the ball ended up in the water.
Tok Nam?
I placed the ball at about 70 meters. I've been working really hard on this distance on my Nintendo Wii, and today it worked out really fine.
Thank you. 2-1-2 to the pin.
Now hole 17, we are faced with a mighty long par 3. It's 212 meters with a pin at the back. I whipped out my 3-iron, my trusty favorite 3-iron. Thankfully the ball landed on the green and I have a very rare birdie look.
Good try, don't worry, good try.
Hole 18, the final hole, we have to carry this water. And if you can't carry it, you can always play it to the left side. A bunker's in play for me for the left one. So aiming it to the right, and now left with an uphill 8-iron. Pulled it. I generally have a bad miss to the left, but with this hole, it's still safe. I just need to get 2 putt from this very slidey big left to right putt. I appreciate all your views and your support. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Take care and may the course be with you. Goodbye.